Hey, this is another brief demo on ChaosAI with new features. Let's get started. So the new feature is regarding agents, where I'm using LLM agents to basically do the discovery and reporting for me. So let me clear this out. So this is the agent screen. What I'll do is let me set up a target here, scanme.nmap.org. Let's set it, and I'll start the scanning. So what basically is happening on the back end is I'm using an LLM agent and providing this a tool where it can run commands, and it is running an agentic loop where the output from the first command will give you insights, will give the LLM insights on what to do next, and it will run multiple steps and try to find some open ports, some open services on the targets that is there. This is a sample target which will have ports 80, ports 443, and an SSH port 22 open, and we'll see whether our LLM finds those ports in the next few seconds. So currently the scan is running. It generally runs for 5 steps. So it tried an nmap scan on the target, looked for some services, some open ports, and let's see what it'll do in the next steps. It seems like the discovery agent has completed its scan, and the reporting agent is generating some recommendations, a summary of the report. Right now, the other agents are not available, but as I'm developing this project, I will be adding those agents soon. Yes, so the scan is completed. I can list out the previous scans in the target screen, which is here. So this was the latest one. So let's see what scan the agent did. So this is the basic overview. These are the steps it performed. So it ran an nmap scan, and the next time it ran an nmap scan with some other arguments. And finally, with these arguments, it was able to get some output from the tooling. So yeah, as I mentioned, port 22, port 25, and HTTP port 80 is open, and it was successfully able to find those out. And it ran the Nikito command on the port 80 on this target and found few vulnerabilities with the port. And these are the findings. Missing extremes header on the port 80 that was opened. It was able to detect an Apache web server. Let's see what the reporting agent did. So it gave us a report, which is this. If it is not properly visible, I'm also displaying this report in the findings. So these are the security assessment report that the reporting agent created. Uh, it gave this target a score of zero point 0.7 out of 10, which is very low. Basically, no issues with the target mostly. And these are the findings that I showed you earlier, and some recommendations like upgrading the Apache web server and configuring the X-frame options header and few other things. So yeah, this is the agents part of ChaosAI.